Well, hello YouTube, good morning. Okay, so I promised the next time I made scrambled egg grilled cheese that I would film it for you. So I'm making some for the kids this morning, and I'm going to show you how I make them. Now, first and foremost, I browned up some sausage. I just cut some, I had some extra sausage links. So I went ahead and diced them up along with some ham and a dozen eggs, some salt, pepper, some chives, and I just went ahead and just made scrambled eggs really quick. I think I put some video of it over on my Instagram, on my stories. And now I'm just going to make the sandwiches. So I went ahead and I turned on my pan. Now this pan is super old. It's as old as my oldest child, 28 years old. So we're just going to go ahead and throw some butter on. Get it nice and buttery. I have this on about a medium-low heat. You don't want it super high because you want the grilled cheese to melt, the cheese part of it. And then I'm going to show you just how simple this is. Alright, now what I like to do is I like to place a pat of butter down and then my bread right over it. Not a super thick piece, but you know, a little chunk. And that just makes the bread extra buttery. And then what I like to do is we're just going to use good old-fashioned American cheese. Pepper jack cheese is really good on this. I'm all out. My older boys were up this weekend, so I kind of went through a lot of what was in my fridge while they were here. So I am all out of cheese. See if I can get this out of the package, Heather, without destroying it. Alright. So there's that one. And then that. And then what I go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and get some scrambled egg here. And just load this up. This is a great way too to use up leftover scrambled eggs. If you have any left over in the morning, you can save it for the next day, because you can use a little bit of scrambled eggs. You don't have to fully load this up like I am right now, but a little goes a long way if you've got some leftover. And you guys know how I like to do leftover makeovers. I don't like anything to go to waste, so if I can repurpose it in some way, I will. Okay. Oh, we lost a piece of ham. And overboard. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn that to low. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add our second piece of cheese right on top. I made this for Danny, and he's like, I've never thought about making a breakfast grilled cheese sandwich. Like, wow. You get innovative as a mom. Alright, so what we're going to do then is we're going to go ahead and we're going to add just a little bit more butter. Thin pats. Okay, and then what I like to do is I like to grab down. This is Mom's Magic Parsley. It's really dehydrated kale, but you can use parsley. I like to throw a little bit of parsley on there. I like to crack a little bit of sea salt on there. And then let me grab my spatula here. I'm going to take a look at the bottom, and they're perfect. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and flip. Commit and be fast. That's my best advice. Commit and be fast. There we go. Alright, so man down sausage here. I'll tuck right back in there. Okay, and then I'm going to get this side while it's hot. Little Mom's Magic parsley. And then that is it, you guys. Now I usually will cut these up for the kids. I use a pizza slice. I'll show you how I do that when we get to that part. But as you see, now this was a dozen eggs and I have a lot left. I can package this up and use it tomorrow for more sandwiches. So it's just quick, easy. If you have those sandwich makers when you go camping, this is a great breakfast sandwich to make while you're camping because it's super easy to make and all the kids can gather around the campfire and make their own. So that's always helpful when you're camping. And that's it. Alright, so when I am ready to cut this and plate it, I'll bring you back and show you what that looks like. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut it, okay? So just take your pizza wheel, and this just helps not smush it. And then I'm going to take my plate here, go under, and plate it. And then I will spin you around. I'll show you what it looks like. So here we have it. Mason, you want to come get your sandwich?
Oh, yes.
Look at that. Can you see that? Let's see. Hold on. Let's get it focused. There we go. So there you have it. You have your cheese, you have your egg, you have your sausage, you have your ham. You can put bacon in there if you want. Whatever your family likes. You can cut it into fours if you want. It's totally up to you. Leave it whole. Fresh baked bread is best on this. It's just, you know, store-bought, but use what you have. These are also really good on pumpernickel. Give that a try. Whole wheat, rye, I mean, you can't go wrong. So great when you have a crowd and you're cooking for a lot of people, especially kids. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you give it a try, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.